Hello, Mr. Robert. Uh, I want to thank you so much for your lesson you gave me. Before I meet you, I, I have no English, and now I can send you this video. Speak good, good English. I want to say pardon